Hello everyone, welcome to Coherent Exams. So finally the SEBI 2022 notification is out and we all were waiting for this day. बहुत सारे स्पेकुलेशंस थे कि नोटिफिकेशन आएगा नहीं आएगा कब आएगा कोविड की वजह से डिले होगा क्या. सो फाइनली द नोटिफिकेशन इज आउट फॉर द सिक्योरिटीज एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया recruitment of officer grade A assistant manager for the general stream, legal stream, IT stream, research stream and the official language stream 2022. सो दिस वीडियो इज़ बेसिकली अबाउट बहुत सारे लोगों को डाउट्स हैं नोटिफिकेशन में एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया को लेके, प्रिपरेशन को लेके, स्ट्रैटेजी पार्ट को लेके. सो वी विल कवर एवरीथिंग इन दिस वीडियो क्विकली. Like we will try not to waste much of your time and we'll try to provide you relevant information as much as possible. So let's begin with the notification details first. So important dates to remember: online application starts from January 5 to January 24th, and this is the most important part. We can't miss filling the form. At least this stupidity we should not do, that we have missed. We were waiting till the last date and बाद में पता चला कि we have missed and the form ही नहीं भर पाए. And phase 1 exam date is February 20, phase 2 is March 20, and this duration between this month is very crucial for our preparation. And phase 2 for the IT stream will be held on a separate day. It will be on April 3. Interview date will be notified later. The application fee will be 1000 rupees, and for some categories it will be, I think, just 100 rupees. You can check the notification also. These are important dates. Then coming to the vacancies and the educational qualification criteria for the general stream, we have 80 vacancies, unreserved for the 32 for the unreserved. एंड कमिंग टू द एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन, यहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा लोग कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं कि क्या एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन है, मास्टर्स डिग्री चाहिए या इंजीनियरिंग चाहिए. आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूज. वेल, देयर इज अ कॉमा हेयर एंड हेयर, so it means you need master's degree in any discipline. You need to have master's degree in any discipline, then you are eligible. Or you need to have a bachelor's degree in law. Like अगर आपने law में bachelor's लिया है तो आप eligible हैं. और you need to have a bachelor's degree in engineering. अगर आपने BTech किया है, BE किया है, so you are eligible. Or you must be a CA, CFA, CS, CWA. Means if you have done BCom, BA, BBA, only the bachelor's degree, which is not the law and engineering part, you are not eligible. You need to have a master's degree in any discipline. This is for the general stream. For the legal stream, bachelor's degree in law would be sufficient. There are 16 vacancies. It is good. Bachelor's degree in engineering, electrical, electronics and communication, information technology, computer science, it's required for information technology stream. The vacancies are given clearly here. Well, for the research stream, master's degree in statistics, economics, econometrics is required. Official language, well, master's degree in Hindi and English is required. The number of vacancies is very less, or just the two for the reserve, and one, like total is 3. Other requirements are mentioned here. You can read it, those who are eligible for it and those who want to fill this. This is a very good opportunity, like very less competition, and you must try for this. Well, for the legal stream also, great opportunity. There are mainly many lawyers out there, so really a good opportunity for you all. There are many master's degree holders, so definitely research stream vacancies are usually similar to this number in most of the exams. So form ज़रूर fill कीजिए, try ज़रूर कीजिए, and you can fill for the multiple vacancy multiple streams also, but don't take much load. जिसके लिए आप focused हैं, focus on one thing, I would suggest. If you are eligible, like legal, both the person who has an LLB is eligible for the legal as well as the general stream, then you can try filling the form if you want. Well, some other details for the notification. This age limit is 30 years. Okay. Well, some relaxations are there as per your category. This is for 5 years and this is of 3 years. You can read it. Service condition pay allowance. Not a point of discussion right now, but still it is a motivating factor for some people. So the grade is given here and the gross emulations are given here. Also without accommodation, or sorry, with accommodation it will be this. don't focus on this part. I don't know why people start discussing more on the salary part before preparing. Okay, so this is the secondary part. First prepare, get selected, and then discuss all these things with the HR. Okay, so coming to the exam pattern, the phase 1 online examination, general stream, there will be 4 subjects: general awareness, including the financial sector, English language, quantitative aptitude, and test of reasoning. 60 minutes, 100 marks, cutoff is 30%. Means in this paper, you have to score at least 30 marks out of 100 marks to qualify for the phase 2 examination. Also, in this phase 1 examination, there will be paper 2, which will be different for each of the stream as per their like subject. General stream, there are 6 subjects: commerce and accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act, and economics. So you have to prepare for these subjects. The syllabus and detail is given in the annexure below the notification. For this paper 2, the cutoff is 40%. Like from out of 100 marks, you have to score at least like 40 marks. The number of questions are not given here this time, but if we follow the last year pattern, it will be 50 questions, and the 40, yes, definitely, because 40 minutes is given, it will be 50 questions. Each question will have 2 marks. So, and you have to get at least 40%. Cutoff is 40%. So in paper 1, 30% is required. In paper 2, 40% is required as a separate cutoff. These both are separate cutoff. Apart from this, it is mentioned that negative marking will be there. Negative marking रहेगी 30% for paper 1, it is mentioned here, and a cutoff of minimum 40% for paper 2, and there must be given like about the aggregate. Yes, aggregate cutoff marks are 40% in phase 1 एग्जाम्स. इसका मतलब सीधा सीधा ये है कि 100 में से 30 यहाँ लाते हैं, 100 में से 40 यहाँ लाते हैं, देन यू वोंट बी एबल टू क्वालिफाई दिस एग्जाम, बिकॉज टोटल 40% आपको लेके आना है. दैट मीन्स आउट ऑफ 100 यू नीड टू स्कोर 80 marks at least. And if you score at least 80 marks, that is 40% of 200, you will be shortlisted for the phase 2. It doesn't matter how many how many aspirants or how many candidates qualify, they all will be qualified. So there is no like 3 times or 4 times of the vacancy. There is no such criteria given for moving the candidates to the phase 2 exam. Everyone who qualifies this criteria, these 3 criteria, 30% paper 1, 40% in paper 2, and aggregate cutoff. Yes, this is aggregate cutoff, 40% aggregate. These are the 3 criteria you need to for qualifying to phase 2 exams. Then phase 2. Okay, so the good thing is the syllabus for the phase 1 and phase 2 for the paper 2 remains same. So this is the best aspect. Well, general stream, legal stream, a few topics will be added, and research stream will remain same. And okay, so for the paper 2, what we need to do is there is a slight change in pattern about the descriptive exam. We all know the descriptive test for the English, how it takes place. Those who are new, those who are appearing for the first time, like there will be questions, there will be one essay, one précis, and like one comprehension. You need to answer a few questions out of a passage. So again, 60 minutes will be given to you for writing the answers, 100 marks, and 30% is the cutoff. The weightage of this paper will be 1/3 only, and the weightage for the paper 2 will be 2/3. The paper 2 पैटर्न will remain same. पेपर 2 का पैटर्न सेम रहेगा. पेपर 1 इंग्लिश डिस्क्रिप्टिव ऐड हुआ है जिसका वेटेज 1/3 रहेगा. कैंडिडेट्स को नया हॉल टिकट मिलेगा. ओके, इट्स क्लियर. देयर शैल बी नेगेटिव मार्किंग. ओके, यस, एग्रीगेट कट ऑफ गिवन इज 50% हेयर. लाइक इनको कंबाइन करके, और जो भी आपका स्ट्रीम है, पेपर 1 सबका ही होगा. लीगल स्ट्रीम, IT स्ट्रीम, रिसर्च स्ट्रीम के लिए पेपर 2 अलग अलग होगा. So combining these two or 50% aggregate cutoff is required as mentioned here. Okay, like details. Okay, yes, candidates would need to secure a separate cutoff in each paper as mentioned in point 4 in the clause 4 above, as well as an aggregate cutoff of 50% in phase 2 exams, and this 50% would be measured as per this weightage to shortlist for the phase 3, which is the interview process. Okay, so 50% aggregate cutoff is required for the combining both paper 1 and paper 2. For the interview candidates, and yes, there is a criteria like candidates equaling 3 times the number of vacancies would be shortlisted. So if suppose if we talk about the general stream and there are 80 vacancies, then 240 people, 240 candidates would be shortlisted. Doesn't matter if more than 240 people has qualified this criteria, 50%, more than 50%, then there will be the cutoff, uh, like a cutoff decide होगी and only the 3 times would be qualified. Till now, this is the criteria. SEBI reserves the right to modify. When after the interview will be of weightage of 15% and phase 2 marks will be of weightage of 85%. Most important thing to note, they have not they are not taking the weightage of phase 1 marks. Okay, so phase 1 is just of qualifying in nature. मेनली आपकी मार्क्स आपके सिलेक्शन मैटर करेगा फेज़ 2 से एंड फेज़ 3 से, विच इज़ इंटरव्यू. दिस इज़ अ गुड पार्ट, वी विल डिस्कस इन दिस स्ट्रेटजी. ओके, वेल ओके यस. सो दिस इज़ द नोटिफिकेशन. किसी को कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट कीजिएगा. किसी को कोई डाउट है तो आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे भी पहुंच सकते हैं. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप का भी एंड चैनल का भी. ओके, लेट्स कम टू द स्ट्रेटजी पार्ट. बहुत सारे डाउट्स हैं लोगों के दिमाग में, शायद अपेयरिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम अपेयर कर रहा हूँ, आई एम अपेयरिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, आई एम फ्रॉम द साइंस बैकग्राउंड, आई एम नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड येट, सो व्हाट कैन आई डू, like what should I do, should I fill the form or not, will I be able to qualify, it is possible to clear the exam. So there are like many doubts. So first thing first, आपको डाउट में नहीं आना है. Make it clear that it is certainly possible, it is 100% possible, 101% possible for you to clear this exam even if you fall in any of these 3 criteria. The reason being, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, साइंस बैकग्राउंड वाले को एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफाई नहीं कर सकते. प्रीवियस ईयर्स में इंजीनियर्स ने भी एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफाई किया है. दे आर वर्किंग इन सेबी एज एन असिस्टेंट मैनेजर नाउ. सो ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि सीए होना चाहिए, कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट होना चाहिए, जो सब्जेक्ट है ये बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. अपेयरिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, दैट इज़ ग्रेट. इट इज़ योर अपॉर्चुनिटी टू क्लियर द एग्ज़ाम इन वेरी फर्स्ट गो. अगर आप सेकेंड टाइम आप ये कर रहे हैं, लास्ट टाइम आपने दिया है पेपर, आप अपेयर हुए थे बट किसी रीज़न की वजह से क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाए, इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू क्वालिफाई लास्ट टाइम, सो इट्स लाइक अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी. 2 years में एक बार नोटिफिकेशन आता है. यू हैव टू क्लियर दिस एग्जाम एनी हाउ. टेल दिस टू योर सेल्फ, नॉट टू दी वर्ल्ड. टेल दिस टू योर सेल्फ दैट येस आई वॉन्ट टू क्लियर दिस नोटिफिकेशन एनी हाउ. ओके, सो ये डाउट मत रखिए कि आप प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं है. अगर आप प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं है अभी तक, नो इशूज़. वी हैव डिस्कस वन थिंग which I just said, the phase 1 is of just of qualifying in nature. So 20th February को जो एग्ज़ाम होना है इज जस्ट ऑफ क्वालिफाइंग. आपको सिर्फ क्वालिफाई करना है, उसके बाद आपको 1 month और मिलेगा. एज आई सेड इनिशियली दैट 1 month विल बी वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल. सो आपको सिर्फ क्वालिफाई करना है. अगर आपने अभी तक प्रिपेयर नहीं किया तो आपको सिर्फ इस अकॉर्डिंग पढ़ना है कि दैट आप फेज़ 1 क्वालिफाई कर जाए. एंड फेज़ 1 एंड फेज़ 2 का सिलेबस तो सेम ही है. सो दैट इज़ अ गुड पार्ट, दैट फेज़ 1 एंड फेज़ 2 सिलेबस इज कॉमन, सेम. So whatever we are preparing for phase 1, we are also getting prepared for the phase 2 simultaneously. Okay, okay, let's discuss the syllabus first. What is the syllabus for the strategy part? Those who are confused कि कैसे proceed करें, everything, all these 3 points I am saying again is possible if you have the right mindset, right attitude and the right strategy. And you need to follow the right system. And what is the right system? Right system would be different for different person. Like एक इंसान जो वर्क कर रहा है उसके लिए अपने अलग सिस्टम्स बनेंगे, जो वर्क नहीं कर रहा है उसके लिए अपने सिस्टम. लाइक एवरी इंडिविजुअल, इट विल बी डिफरेंट फॉर एवरी इंडिविजुअल. डजंट मैटर, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द लेवल ऑफ प्रिपरेशन, लेवल ऑफ नॉलेज, द प्रोसेस दे आर फॉलोइंग. सो आपको अपना अपना स्ट्रैटेजी खुद बनाना है. एक जनरल स्ट्रैटेजी आप क्या कर सकते हैं उसका सजेशन अभी हम दे सकते हैं आपको. जहाँ तक बात है कि सीधा आते हैं कि ये सिलेबस देखा है, people look at this syllabus and they like get anxiety attack that oh no, I can't, I don't know anything about the syllabus, and then they start seeing many ads about the courses, about the like video courses or the study material. Then they jump on buying any random course and they later they like पछतावा होता है कि अरे यार ये तो गलत ले लिया. सो गिव योर सेल्फ टाइम. ये सिलेबस एनालाइज कीजिए, क्या सिलेबस है, कैसे प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, क्या सोर्सेज हमारे पास हैं, उसे एनालाइज कीजिए. गिव योर सेल्फ 2-3 days एंड देन डिसाइड इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय एनी कोर्स और नॉट. सी courses are very costly. If you are saying, I would say no course is required. You don't require any course to clear this exam. What matters most is your budget right now. If you are not working, if you are not working, if you are working, it is fine. You are earning money, you can spend. If you are not working, what matters more is your budget. If you don't have budget, no issues. You don't need the paid courses to clear the exam. If you have the budget, then definitely you can go for the courses. Let me clear it first. We are not offering any video course for this exam. So there are many courses available. You know all the names. There are many renowned names. I think 5 to 6 platforms are there. Not many. 5 to 6 platforms are there where you will get really good courses. Course लेने का benefit ये है, they are very structured. You get disciplined and एक structured manner में prepare कर पाते हैं. Or you get everything at one place. So it is good to buy courses if you have the budget. Even if you don't have the budget, then don't no need to panic. We will provide you a solution that what you can do. Everything is available for free. We will provide you how to do it. Okay. So अगर आप courses लेना चाहते हैं, then go for it, but just don't jump. Wait for few days, analyze yourself, prepare your strategy, analyze the institutions and then buy the courses. अभी आप बहुत सारे एड्स देखेंगे कि यार ये कोर्स ले लें, ये कोर्स ले लें. डोंट जंप ऑन इट. यू हैव टाइम. स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग एटलीस्ट. सेल्फ स्टडी भी कुछ ज़रूरी होता है ना. सेल्फ स्टडी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो जस्ट डोंट जंप ऑन बाइंग द कोर्सेज. गिव योर सेल्फ सम डेज एंड लेट्स कम टू द सिलेबस पार्ट कि कैसे पढ़ना. अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइमर्स हैं, अगर आपने इसमें से कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है तो भी आपके लिए एप्लीकेबल है. अगर आपने पढ़ रखा है तो भी आपके लिए एप्लीकेबल है. आपको रिवाइज कैसे करना है या फिर आपको दोबारा से स्टार्ट कैसे करना है. So it is very simple. Everything is available on the open internet. All these topics mentioned here are available on the open internet for free. YouTube पे सब कुछ है. काफ़ी वेबसाइट्स हैं, फाइनेंस रिलेटेड वेबसाइट हैं, CA इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं जिन्होंने स्टडी मटेरियल बना रखा है अपना. बहुत सारे अगर आपका कोई फ्रेंड है, इफ़ यू नो एनी पर्सन हु इज़ परसुइंग CA or who is a CA qualified, then you can ask him or her that what will be the appropriate sources to prepare for this exam. He or she will be the best person to guide you. कि उन्हें पता है, उन्होंने सब कुछ पढ़ा है. कंपनीज एक्ट पढ़ा है, कॉस्टिंग पढ़ा है, फाइनेंस पढ़ा है, मैनेजमेंट पढ़ा है, कॉमर्स अकाउंटेंसी पढ़ा है. सो वो लोग बता देंगे. ICI की वेबसाइट पे आप जाके, CA इंस्टीट्यूट की वेबसाइट पे जाके आप लोग मटेरियल डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. आप उससे पढ़ सकते हैं. देयर n नंबर ऑफ वीडियोज़ अवेलेबल ऑन एनी टॉपिक. यू पिक एनी टॉपिक. कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट, अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स, यू पिक एनी टॉपिक. Basics of derivatives पे we shared a video a few days ago. Like probably last month we shared a video on our Telegram channel. It was a very good video. Those who seen it must have got benefited with this. So but the most important thing to note about this is you don't need to waste much of the time in just surfing for these videos. What happens is जब हम सर्च करने लगते हैं वीडियोज़ को तो हम फ्लो कर जाते हैं अपने एक जो सजेशन है अपनी हिस्ट्री के साथ साथ. हमें एक वीडियो देख रहे हैं, सजेशन में कुछ और आ गया, कोई स्टैंड अप वीडियो आ गया, लाइक वट एवर यू गेट टू सी एज पर योर हिस्ट्री, एज पर योर चॉइसेस, एज पर योर इंटरेस्ट. दैट इज़ मोस्ट डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग थिंग. आप कुछ और वीडियो देखने लग जाते हो, कहीं और फ्लो कर जाते हो. सो you need to restrict yourself from that part. For this for avoiding this thing, what you can do is you can create a new YouTube account. You can use another email address and watch only the SEBI videos, SEBI related education videos from that channel. अगर आप अपने आप को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं, if you don't have self control, you can do this. and इंटरनेट पे YouTube पे हर टॉपिक पे वीडियोस अवेलेबल हैं फॉर फ्री. So you don't need to buy any course. If you don't have budget, if you don't want to buy any course, you don't want to take risk of your money for your money, like for any random coaching institute or anything, you don't need to trust anyone. You trust yourself, you trust your process and you can watch it. Like phase 1 तक तो आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप phase 1 के लिए पढ़िए. अब phase 1 की प्रिपरेशन कैसे करें, कमिंग टू दैट कि बहुत कम टाइम बचा है, हमने प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट नहीं करी. आई हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग येट. व्हाट कैन आई डू फॉर phase 1? Like at least I want to clear phase 1. Phase 1 के बाद तो I know that I have 1 month extra. So let's focus on phase 1 criteria is 40% only. So let's afford to get 40%. I think 65% coverage of syllabus is enough. So cover only 60 to 65% syllabus of this Paper 2, paper 1 is like if you are preparing for competitive exams, you know quants, you know reasoning, you know English language, current affairs and financial sector knowledge, you know there is no sectional cutoff in paper 1 separately, only the paper 1 30% cutoff is required, you can clear that. Paper 2 पे बात आती है, पेपर 2 का आप 65% ही सिलेबस कवर कीजिए, नो इश्यूज़। हर सब्जेक्ट से कुछ टॉपिक लीजिए, जैसे कॉस्टिंग से आप ये लीन सिस्टम एंड इनोवेशंस, बहुत छोटा टॉपिक है एंड बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, लाइक बहुत ईजी भी है, यू कैन ईजिली कवर दिस टॉपिक। You do marginal costing, you do a few of these costing techniques, you enough, if you can read this overview, it's good, it will help you in developing a base about the subject। कंपनीज एक्ट में सारे चैप्टर्स मत पढ़िए, एटलीस्ट शुरू के 4-5 चैप्टर्स, 4 चैप्टर्स तो एटलीस्ट दीज चैप्टर 3 चैप्टर 4 चैप्टर 8 चैप्टर, हाँ चैप्टर ऑडिट एंड ऑडिटर्स ये कवर कर लीजिए आप। छोड़ दीजिए 2 चैप्टर्स, अगर नहीं पढ़ना, नहीं टाइम है तो छोड़ दीजिए फेज़ 1 तक के लिए, लेट्स लीव इट, डोंट टेक मच स्ट्रेस। जो पढ़ रहे हैं वो समझ के पढ़िए कि आप भूले नहीं, आपको कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी हो। डिमांड सप्लाई इज़ वेरी इजी टॉपिक, market structures, national income, balance of payment, foreign exchange, inflation, everything. This is one the part of the finance also. Inflation is here also, right? And finance is, the syllabus is same as of RBI. If you are preparing for RBI, if you have ever prepared, then the finance is a very easy topic for you. The management also, these two topics are of RBI syllabus. So if you have ever prepared for the RBI, then it is already done for you. Even if not, then for the management you can pick motivation and leadership. These two topics cover for the phase 1, and apart from that, one communication is a very just a 1 hour topic, you can cover it in 1 hour, leave everything, okay? Coming to commerce and accountancy, read accounting standards, इजीली अवेलेबल नोट्स आपको इजीली अवेलेबल हैं अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स के, 3 to 4 पेजेस के अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं, यू हैव टू जस्ट रीड दैट। वाई टू बाय अ कोर्स फॉर दैट? I don't understand this. If you have money, you buy a course, that will be very helpful. There are many experienced faculties out there who are providing like this videos, who will be teaching you about these. But if you don't want, they're like easily available, हर चीज़ easily available। Preparation presentation of company accounts, ये कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, like think or like we are preparing notes on this and we will be sharing with you in a few days on our telegram channel। कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट आप पढ़ लीजिए फॉर फेज़ 1, रेशियो एनालिसिस आप बेसिक पढ़ लीजिए फॉर फेज़ 1। these two topics are also very easy, theoretical aspect you can cover it। entries, leave the entries if you don't understand the entries, leave this। accounting is a financial information system, if you can read it like it's well and good, otherwise also you can just with basic common sense you can answer the questions of this topic। Coming to the finance basics of derivative, we shared a video a few days ago, that is enough I think। direct indirect taxes, it will be important for your like phase 1, this E point will be very important your phase 1, like easy questions would come from this। inflation is very easy topic, conceptual but easy। so who says you have to prepare you have to cover this complete like huge syllabus in just 1 month or in just 45 days? Give yourself 2 to 3 days in analyzing what you can do, what you cannot, just cover 60 to 65% of the syllabus of the phase 2 and you will be able to score 40% easily. If you don't have time, I'm not saying that you should leave even a single topic, you have to cover each and every topic if you want to crack this job। but if you haven't started preparing, focus on keep the target small, keep achieving the targets, focus on first I have to cover 60%, once you are able to cover the 60% of syllabus, then move to the rest part, then cover 10% more and then 10% more, do this in a structured manner, okay? Like as if you are climbing a ladder, so go in this manner, it's not a difficult task। if you need any video, if you don't want to waste your time in surfing for a video, then just drop a message on our telegram group that I need a video on this particular topic, I need a video on this leadership style, leadership theories, I can't I am not sure which video to watch, I cannot risk my time that I am watching every other video and this lot of time will be wasted. We will do this for you. We will find a proper video which would be sufficient for you to understand the concept to clear your exam. We would do that, or anyone, any other member of the group will do for you, like your fellow aspirants. So we are here to help you in this way. हम आपको स्टडी मटेरियल चाहिए, कोई नोट्स चाहिए, तो वी विल ट्राई टू प्रोवाइड यू. अगर आपको कोई टॉपिक समझ में नहीं आ रहा, कि ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा, ये कोई पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक है कंपनीज एक्ट का, ये चैप्टर समझ में नहीं आ रहा, then you can drop a message. If it will be possible, we will create a video for you, no issues. We will try our best. We cannot assure you, or otherwise we will provide you a link to the like any other video from the open internet. We are not into this. We are even if we that way, if we are sponsoring any other institution, no issues. The important part is you must be able to clear your concepts. We would share any video which is like good on the YouTube or on the any other website. We will share with you. You just have to drop a message to us on the Telegram group that you need a video or you need notes on this, you need to a conceptual clarity for this particular topic. So we will help you. No issues, no need to of bothering, no need of panicking. We are here with you, no issues. And there are many institutions who will be supporting you. There are many free videos available by every institution. So you have a lot of content available for free also. And coming to the point, will mocks be helpful? Yes, definitely. What are mocks? Like, what do you understand with mocks? Mocks are basically by when any institution is providing you the mock test, what they are doing, basically they are just providing you a platform. Okay, they are just providing you a platform where you can practice whatever you have read. So suppose once you have completed the syllabus, or once you have completed any part of that, after that when you go and attempt the mock, you gain confidence, and that confidence help you on the day of the exams, or you get to know about your weak points or your strengths. Okay, like where you can where there's a scope of improvement, you get to know about that, and so that you can uh, study that thing again. So mocks are definitely helpful. Which one? Definitely here we will be promoting ourselves also. So we will be providing you the MCQ series. We will launch the MCQ series. There some update is going on, so we have removed it for now. Those who are already enrolled are enrolled. They can use it. We are updating some thing in the app. So within a week time we will be launching the MCQ series. That will be a topic wise MCQ series plus the full mocks. So strategy is very simple for you. लाइक आपने कोई भी टॉपिक पढ़ा, आपने आज लेट्स से आपने लीडरशिप पढ़ा, आप हमारी ऐप पे गए, आपने लीडरशिप का टॉपिक वाइज एमसीक्यूज क्लियर करे. सो यू आर वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट कि हाँ लीडरशिप तो मुझे आता है. आपने लीडरशिप पढ़ा, उसके एमसीक्यूज भी अटेम्प्ट कर लिए. नहीं कर पाए, सो यू कैन अगेन स्टडी दैट पार्ट ऑफ दैट टॉपिक. मतलब ये आप नेक्स्ट डे कीजिए. एक दिन लीडरशिप पढ़ी, नेक्स्ट डे एमसीक्यू अटेम्प्ट कीजिए टॉपिक वाइज. सिमिलरली कोई भी चैप्टर पढ़ा, डेरिवेटिव्स पढ़ा, ऐप पे गए, डेरिवेटिव्स के एमसीक्यू अटेम्प्ट किए. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल टास्क. ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर्ड मैनर में आपका प्रिपरेशन चलेगा, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट होता जाएगा. एंड कॉन्फिडेंस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच इज रिक्वायर्ड इन द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स. ओके, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई वुड सजेस्ट यू वन थिंग. ठीक है, हम 5 लाइक आई थिंक 500 रुपीज़ में we will be offering you the mock test series. Approx this, like 500 rupees will be the approx amount. What happened? Okay, so that would be like a very basic cost. And doesn't matter whether you buy the mock test series or MCQ series from us or from any other institution. Just a suggestion, I would like to suggest you one thing. Like when you buy a mock test series, don't buy it from the same institution from where if you purchase the video course or any course, because what happens is this is just my opinion. I don't know whether it is true or not. It's just my opinion. You can decide on your own. Well, whenever you purchase a study material or any video course from a particular institution, जब आप वहाँ से एक वीडियो कोर्स खरीद लेते हैं, उसके बाद आप जब मॉक टेस्ट देंगे तो एक बहुत चांस है कि उन्होंने उसी पर्टिकुलर मटेरियल में से जो पर्टिकुलर हाईलाइटेड पॉइंट्स हैं उसी से क्वेश्चन बनाया होगा, उसी से क्वेश्चंस बनाए होंगे. सो यू विल बी वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट कि अच्छा ये तो पढ़ा ही था, उसी से हमें क्वेश्चन भी मिल गया. आई एम वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट, आई नो एवरीथिंग. तो वो तो आपको पता ही होगा. यू विल बी अवेयर ऑफ दैट because you have read the note in that same language, in that same structured manner. So best thing is to, if you want to buy both of these things, you buy a course from some person or some institution, and you buy the MCQ series from some other institution. So you will be in a better ability to check and verify whether what you have studied is useful in your MCQ series or not. And both of these institutions are different this time. So when you buy course from one place, you buy MCQ series from another place. Now if you are able to solve these questions after reading this, then it is clear that yes, your preparation is on the right track, because these two people don't know each other, whoever they are. uh, both the mindset of these people, the mindset of both of these people is different. तो आपका प्रिपरेशन एक अच्छे लेवल पे है, ऑप्टिमल लेवल पे आप श्योर हो जाएंगे। जब आप इसी का MCQ सीरीज बाय करेंगे तो बहुत हद तक ओवरलिंकिंग होगी, आपको कॉन्फिडेंस तो आ जाएगा, बट एग्जाम डे पे जाके वी डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन, बिकॉज anyone who is selling you the mock test series would not like claim that everything will be from these mocks. Mocks are just for the practice, to just analyze your knowledge. Okay, so you need to take mocks just as a source of practice, to practice your knowledge, to practice your skills, whatever you have gained. So it's just a suggestion, it's just an opinion. Okay, so we do have an all India free mock test available on our app for SEBI 2022. Subjects covered are commerce, accountancy, finance management, costing, companies like economics. So as I said, give yourself 2-3 days, go on our application, register, attempt this free mock test, analyze your level. You will get to know what type of paper do come in the exam, and on that basis you analyze what you need to prepare first, what you need to focus on, and whether you need to buy a course or not, or whatever. Like, first attempt a mock test and then decide, and give yourself some time. Don't just jump on anything on a particular strategy. Give yourself time. You have enough time, you can easily clear this exam. Just be confident. This is our app, Coherent Exams. You can find it on Play Store. So video has been lengthened, so just good luck and thank you for your time.